Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I created this look. I call it the glowy orangey makeup using mostly Fenty Beauty Products. So if you are interested, please keep on watching. Use a Fix Plus. Primers at the moment. So this is Fenty Beauty Profiltr Instant Retouch Primer Base. No, that's French. So yeah, Instant Retouch Primer. Okay. My Profiltr foundation, soft matte long wear foundation from Fenty Beauty. Another favorite stuff from Fenty. Really nice. Now remember to always shake this, okay? Yeah, before you use it. So I'm in the shade 180. I'm using Sigma F80, okay. Right, so I'm gonna take a bit more of this and okay, so right now I'm going to correct my under eye area and some of the areas that I find to be grayish on my skin. So yeah, like here, corner of mouth, my under eye. So I'm gonna take this brush. No, it's called Drawing Brush from Brina Beauty. It's a Malaysian brand, actual skin color. And I'm gonna conceal, okay, the parts that I have corrected. Right, so next what I like to do is to quickly set the areas that I have corrected and concealed, especially the under eye, because I do not want that to crease, okay? So I'm gonna use this easy peasy. This is just a no sebum nerve powder from Innisfree. Over here. Right, so what I'm gonna do next is to begin contouring. So I'm gonna use this. This is Amber Matchstix, and Matchstick in the color Amber from Fenty Beauty. You can apply it directly, just warm it up first, right? So I'm gonna contour just slightly above the hollow of my cheeks, like here. Because I want my face to look even slimmer. If I do it exactly there and when I blend it, it would kind of make the area bigger. I don't know, that's just what I feel about it. Right. I'm gonna highlight. Right, so next I'm gonna apply another matchstick on my face that is chili mango. Just gonna warm it up. So if you blend it, ta-da! So you're gonna get a nice kind of orange glowy. So it looks like you have a really nice orangey skin, like you just got a tan. But you have to be careful with this because if you if you add too much, or if you don't blend it well, if you don't put it at the right place, probably gonna look like you're a walking Miranda drink or tango. So you have to be very careful. So what I'm gonna do now is gonna apply this on my cheeks and on my eyes. Okay, like that. So just gonna take my fingers and blend. Okay, just gonna apply it directly on my eyelid. So I'm just gonna blend it upward like that. Right, so the next step, I am going to take this eyeshadow from Makeup Cake, right? So it's a nice orangey peachy sort of shade from Makeup Cake. Right, so I'm just gonna take a little bit of this. I'm gonna use a standard eyeshadow brush. You can get it from any brand. I bought this from Elianto. It's very cheap, but I just love the bristle. It's very nice and it's cheap. I love it when things like that work for me. Okay, so I'm just gonna swatch here for you. Right, it's a really nice orangey kind of peachy. It goes well with chili mango that I used before. So I'm gonna take this and I'm going to apply it in the outer corner area. I'm just gonna drag it out a little, just to give a sort of dimensional look in the eyes. So now I'm just gonna add just a little bit of Mary Luminizer on my face, using this Real Technique setting brush. Alright, so now I'm gonna take a like a liner, waterline liner. This is from NYX, right? So I'm gonna line my waterline. Okay. And then I'm going to take a black liner. Right, so this is also from NYX. Just gonna underline my upper lash line. Again, I'm gonna use Sigma. I don't remember the code, but it is called the tapered highlight brush, I think. So I'm gonna take a contour from my go-to contour palette from It Cosmetics, Use Sculpted. I take this and this, kind of mix it together. I used the Falsies Push-Up Drama from Maybelline. Alright, so the look is almost complete. Okay. Right, so the next step is for me to use Fenty Beauty Mattemoiselle Plush Matte Lipstick. Right, so this is in the shade, what shade could it be? Freckle Fiesta. Okay, so I'm going to swatch it here just to make it. So that's how it looks like Alright, so this is the final look. I hope you like it. So it's kind of glowy, fresh, kind of orangey makeup. Right, so if you have any comments on this look, or you have any suggestions, or if you want to share how you do this look using the same products, do leave comments below. And if you like this video, just give it a thumbs up, hit the like button, and also subscribe to my videos so you can always, you know, keep yourself updated with my upcoming videos. Right, so that's all from me. Okay, right, I think I'm looking pretty flat today. I'm gonna go out and run some errands, probably meet some friends. I don't know, I'm just saying that because it sounds good. But anyhow, have a good day and see you guys soon.